Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this mat. It's a Eva puzzle mats. 26 small cube kind of mats are there, and it's a kind of toy mat, whatever you could say. So alphabets are 26, so mat is also 26 because you can see over here A, B is also there. So it's an alphabetic mat, and which is very nice for your babies, toddlers, so that they could learn them easily and they'll learn them quickly also. So let's not waste much time and open this. I'm gonna just cut the polo back up here and one more time. So this is the puzzle mat. It's just a paper. We will keep it aside. So here is the alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F. So there's huge, and the important thing about it is the alphabets can come out, so you can properly tell your child that what is this alphabet? Can you tell me? Yeah, this is A for apple. So like this you can tell, and at the time of resting or anything you want to rest, you can put all these holes you could see at the corners. You just need to plug them back and you'll be good to go. Like this. And it will be turned into a mat in which your babies can play. And what else? You can make a cube also out of it. You just need to plug all the parts in one and it can form a cube. Quite difficult, but you can. So like this it will be in a form of cube. I haven't fixed the all, but I'm just showing you how you can. So this is amazing mat, rug, whatever you could call, to play for your kids and to make them learn these alphabets. It's fun. It's fun to play with them with these alphabets. You can ask them to fit F. Where is F? Just fixed over here. It's F. And the quality of rug, this mat is very nice. You can see the thickness of it, so it is not like that it will tear it soon or something like that. No, it will last long. And I'll show you. See, I'm just turning, nothing is happening to mat. It is very stretchable, spongy, and very good. So friends, go and purchase these kinds of mat for your babies. Good to learn alphabets also, and very nice mat. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for more such videos, and please like my video. Thank you.